The PRODRONE PD6B is an innovative industrial drone that has revolutionized aerial work with its dual robotic arms, developed by industry leader PRODRONE. This model excels in performing complex tasks at high altitudes and over long distances, where human intervention could be hazardous. Built on the robust PD6B airframe, it can carry payloads of up to 20 kilos, making it versatile for various commercial applications. The drone's two 5-axis robotic arms, capable of lifting around 10 kilos each, enable precise grasping, carrying and transportation of objects. With dimensions of 2,300 millimeters in height and a span of 1,450 meters from motor to motor, it combines durability with agility. The PD6B is designed to operate in all weather conditions due to its water resistance and achieves a top speed of 37 mph, propelled by impressive 27-inch diameter propellers. Ascento Guard, a state-of-the-art autonomous robot developed by Ascento Robotics, is set to revolutionize the security sector. Recently backed by a $4.3 million funding round, this innovation integrates AI and robotics to enhance security operations. Designed for outdoor patrols, Ascento Guard navigates diverse terrains effortlessly and swiftly. Its advanced features include thermal, RGB, and infrared cameras, ensuring comprehensive surveillance capabilities. With a battery life exceeding 4 hours and the ability to self-charge, it can operate continuously without human intervention. Equipped for all weather conditions and maintaining a safe walking pace, Ascento Guard remains effective in any environment. Ascento Robotics offers flexible rental services, starting from just an hour, making this cutting-edge robot an accessible and cost-effective option for businesses looking to bolster their security measures. The Manta5 Hydrofoiler SL3 revolutionizes cycling by bringing it into aquatic environments, offering speed, agility, and precise handling for a unique riding experience on water. With an emphasis on user-friendliness, the SL3 features an advanced deep-water hydrofoil launching mechanism and 11 electric assist settings, ensuring an exhilarating ride. Its modular design allows easy disassembly into 5 parts for convenient storage and transport. Riders can enjoy up to 4.5 hours of ride time with the durable battery, enabling exploration of new cycling challenges. Priced around £9,746, this cutting-edge watercraft combines exceptional features and design, poised to redefine how we interact with over 70% of the Earth's surface, whether for leisurely rides or intense aquatic workouts. The Ugot Robotic Kit empowers users to channel their creativity and technological skills into building 7 unique robots. This innovative kit blends advanced technology with imaginative design, featuring a smart knob block and modular system that simplifies the assembly and customization process. For those seeking personalization, the kit supports open-source hardware and DIY components from third parties. Beyond being a mere toy, it serves as an educational tool equipped with an advanced Ion-Types computer, incorporating CPU, GPU, and NPU chips for robust control. Users can leverage AI capabilities such as bionic mobility, speech recognition, and gesture detection, and develop their own models and algorithms using Python and a graphical user interface. Available for pre-order on Kickstarter for £256, the Ugot Robotic Kit promises to inspire learning and innovation in robotics enthusiasts of all ages. CopterPack, an electric single-person helicopter developed by an Australian company, promises to revolutionise personal transportation with its futuristic design. Still in development, CopterPack features several innovative elements including a lightweight carbon fibre honeycomb frame that enhances manoeuvrability and comfort. Dual-duct propellers provide propulsion, managed by a self-levelling autopilot for stability. Uniquely, CopterPack integrates the pilot's body movements, potentially influencing control, although specifics on flight time, payload capacity, and safety features are currently undisclosed. Tethered test flights have shown promising results, but further development will determine if this sci-fi concept can truly become a reality. LimX Dynamics enters the robotics industry with a groundbreaking device, the W1 quadruped robot, marking a significant leap forward. This innovative robot integrates LimX Dynamics' proprietary motion intelligence technology, seamlessly combining land-based and mobile transportation modes. Equipped with advanced vision and motion control algorithms, along with high-performance actuators, the W1 excels in navigating complex terrains effortlessly. A standout feature is its autonomous terrain perception capability, a pioneering achievement for wheeled quadruped robots in China. This technological advancement enables the W1 to autonomously plan and execute movements in real time, including climbing and descending stairs without human intervention. Beyond its technical prowess, the W1 is attractively priced at $4,199, down from $6,499, making it a compelling option in the field of robotic mobility innovation. The JOGALONG Stroller is an innovative device designed to foster outdoor physical activities and bring families closer together. Standing out in the sports stroller market, it features ergonomic natural motion arms that support your natural running form, making it a game-changer in advanced strollers. With 12 years of testing and research, the JOGALONG Stroller provides a safe and user-friendly way for parents and children to stay fit. Its standout feature lies in its adaptability, seamlessly transforming into a regular stroller, bike trailer, or running stroller to meet diverse needs and safety requirements. Priced at $2,460, investing in the JOGALONG Stroller is investing in your family's active and healthy lifestyle. The Infinite Machine P1 combines sleek design with top-tier performance, positioning itself as an engineering marvel in the realm of electric scooters. More than just a transportation device, it embodies the future of mobility with its impressive specifications. The P1 leads its class with a top speed of 55 mph and a range of 60 miles, powered by a robust 6 kW motor for rapid acceleration and an exhilarating ride. Crafted from a sturdy monocoque of aluminum and steel, the P1 boasts a striking appearance from every angle. Ideal for maneuvering through busy city streets, it offers ample storage and a tight turning radius. While it can be driven at speeds up to 35 mph without a motorbike license, accessing its full potential requires a Class M license. Starting at $10,000, the P1's premium attributes and performance justify its price tag, appealing to enthusiasts seeking both style and substance in urban commuting solutions. The Gilani Mobility Electric Handbike introduces groundbreaking technology tailored for wheelchair users, seamlessly transforming manual wheelchairs into robust electric vehicles. Installation is effortless with simple attachment via a few screws, offering a range of up to 50 km on a single charge and achieving speeds up to 25 km/h. Powered by a 350W brushless hub motor, the intuitive controller manages speed, direction, and distance, featuring functions like reverse and cruise control. Users can monitor battery life, speed, and distance via the LCD screen, while adjustable foot support and a foldable handlebar prioritize comfort, storage, and travel convenience. This wheelchair-accessible innovation enhances mobility freedom and quality of life, priced at approximately $3,290, to make it accessible to those seeking enhanced independence and mobility support. The Hogs Supernova is a gravity-defying flying ball that responds to your hand gestures, eliminating the need for a controller or app. It relies solely on your skills and creativity, allowing you to toss, push, spin, and perform amazing stunts with ease. Equipped with motion-activated lights, sensors, and an intuitive control scheme, this toy is both simple to operate and incredibly fun. Designed for indoor use and close proximity to the pilot, The Hogs Supernova impresses with its ability to execute 30 different motions and 9 complex feats. Whether you're entertaining friends or looking for a captivating toy, the Hogs Supernova offers a fresh take on the drone concept, unleashing your personal superpowers and providing hours of enjoyment.